Hola amigos, my name is Rocío and today I'll show you the tricky trio in Spanish. Ahí, ay y ay.
Ay, me pone en duda. No.
I, it's like a haystack full of stuff. Use it for existence like there is or there are. I is just like pointing somewhere. I. Imagine I'm a detective looking for clues. I.
¿Cómo llegó eso ahí?
And then we have I. It's like when you stub your toe, like I. Like we use it for ouchies. Like
Remember, I is for there is and there are. Ahí is for pointing, over there. And ay is for ouchies. Easy, right?
Okay, so that's everything for today. If you like our video, just like, share, and comment, and please follow us on social media. Bye!
Ay, qué bendición.